Hi friends, my name is Mr. Jake. Today, let's learn how to make the letter L in sign language. This is how you make an L, make an L, make an L. This is how you make an L in sign language. Very good, friends. Now, do you know what time it is? It's time to see what's hiding in our mystery box. Here we go. Lettuce. What's next? Oh, lamb. Okay, there should be one last thing. I found it. Ladybug. Lettuce, lamb, and ladybug all start with the letter L. Now, let's watch a video on ladybugs. A ladybug is a small beetle, usually round, and is typically yellow or red with black dots all around. Ladybug.